we'll create our first server with Bun and Express in very easiest way. I'm just opening my terminal and I'm creating a new folder called Bun first server, and then I'm going to this folder. So I'm using Linux Debian, and you can do it by Windows or Mac OS or any Linux distros. The command, and now I am this folder, and now I am opening this folder on VS Code like that. So VS Code is opening. So now we are gonna just initialize new Bun project. That's why you can open terminal by Ctrl Shift and drag T, or you can just do it by manually. Doing it manually, that you will see you need to give the command bun initialize -y. It will just generate some file folder and initialize new Bun project in our directory. So just hit the command. Okay, just I need to use another profile. I need to use this profile. This is profile. Control plus for zooming. Thanks. Okay. So here is our main file, and this is our package.json for packages, and folder name, module, type of module, and dependencies. This is our configuration of our TypeScript, and it gives us basic .git ignore and readme. So now we can run our index.txt directly, called run index.txt, and you can give it any name like main.ts or any name that you want. So whatever you want, you can give any name, and make sure that you have given the same name on your terminal to run the bun run index.ts. This is your file name, run. Oh, we are getting output from our Bun fast server. So now we're gonna just using some commands called, but so first of all I need to show why we need this command. Before that, we are making changes. We're just making changes here, but you can see that on terminal we have no reflect of our changes. So how, if when we made changes in here, then it you will able to preview the live preview on our like this terminal or anywhere. So for that, so how about when we made changes in our just code base, and a preview of our output will be displayed on the terminal. So for that, we need to give an script on our package.json. Just scripts and start bun run index.txt. Before, we need to give was command. So it will not. So we are just doing same thing before. We have did something like that, bun run index.txt and run. Now we just give bun.start, then this command will run this commands, or so it is making simple. Okay, we are getting changes, but we are making changes here. We are making changes again, but it is not reflect on output. For that, we need to give a command called wash. So we are now wash mode, and we are washing the index.ts file. And when you will create the Node.js API, then you have just one endpoint. So this is your main file, and you will import everything in your main file. And you have like multiple file folder like MVC structure or architecture, and you have imported everything in your index.ts. And now you have connected it on the Bun was run index.ts, and now we are just hitting on the Bun index.ts. Sorry, Bun. Let's click start, and you will see here the server will not closed at this time, because we are just washing our file, and when we will make changes, then it will reflect on output. Just look at this Bun start. Oh, sorry. So maybe we need to use double hyphen, not hyphen was. So I forget the Bun start. Sorry. So maybe the command is wash. So Bun start. Oh, how is that? Sorry guys. Just Bun start. Now we are washing. We are making changes. Just look at this and look at the output. When we make changes, oh, it is live preview in our output. How cool is that? We don't need anymore like Nodemon or else. So Bun has compatible with all Node.js features, and it is very faster. Like just we are splitting our terminal, and now we're just installing Bun at Express, type of Express, and look at here that it will just take just some milli of seconds to install. Just hit. Okay, it is just taking time, but because we have not installed this package first time, and when you install it, and just remove it, Bun remove Express, it now it is removed. Bun add Express, type of Express, it is installed because our install package on the cache, and whenever we give the command, then we found this package on the cache. That's why it is very faster. Now we have installed Express. Now we are just gonna creating new Express server. Before reducing time, I'm just copy and paste Express in here, just importing Express. I'm just initialize Express, and this you can give it any name, and I'm just on our root directory. We are just displaying hello world, and we're just listening our app on the 8080 port on our browser. So now the app is listening. So now we're gonna just hit http localhost 3000 to pay 8080. We're getting output of what we have. So without every time restarting our server, just click, it's working. So this is the benefit of wash command, and now we have know how to run the fast Bun project and fast Express project using Bun. So you can push your code on GitHub and you can deploy it on any hosting provider that you want, or you can use Docker to hosting. So you can do anything, and it will be quick, faster, and compatible with all Node.js features. So thank you so much for watching this video, and in the next video I'll try to take REST API to using this project. So thank you.